Well, this next song goes out to you guys, the bartenders.
Take care of them.
8 o'clock on Friday night, I'm still at home. All my girls just keep on blowing up my phone, saying, come on, he ain't worth the pain. So what you gotta do to forget his name? Now there's only one thing left for me to do. Slip on my favorite dress in sky-high leather boots. Check the mirror one last time in case some passing by. What I'm really needing now is a double shot of Crown. Chase that disco all around till I don't remember. Going till they cut me off. Wanna get a little lost in the noise and the lights. Hey bartender, pour my tonight to the party and the music and the truth collide. Bring until this memory fades away. Hey bartender. Tonight I'll let a stranger pull me on the floor. Spin me round and buy a couple more. But before it goes too far, I'll let them down easy. Cause the night is all about dancing my girls to the DJ. Put that song on replay. What I'm really needing now is a double shot of Crown. Chase that disco ball around till I don't remember. Going till they cut me off. Wanna get a little lost in the noise and the lights. Hey bartender, pour my tonight till the party and the music and the truth collide. Bring until this memory fades away. Hey bartender. Feel that buzz, I'm ready to rock. Ain't no way gonna tell me to stop. So pour that thing up to the top. I'm coming in hot. Hey bartender. Russell from the hideaway, what's up? Ooh, oh. Give me. Oh, what I'm really needing now is a double shot of Crown. Chase that disco all around till I don't remember. Going till they cut me off. Wanna get a little lost in the noise and the lights. Hey bartender, pour my tonight till the party and the music and the truth collide. Bring until this memory fades away. Hey bartender. Hey bartender. Hey bartender.